Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be giving you a miniature little PR haul. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. I was just sharing PR solely on Instagram, thanking the brands, and I've also done like a short here and there doing a little reveal of some PR that I've received, but I decided to sit down and do a video for you guys. So I want to first off thank all of these brands for sending me PR. Love you guys so much. I'll have everyone linked down below for you guys, and including any discount codes that I might have. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to watch me open up a bunch of PR makeup. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with this first box because I have a couple of different things in here from different brands. I just went ahead and took the product out of the packaging so I could use those boxes to start a fire. So first up, I got this in the mail a couple weeks ago from Blinged brushes. It was when they were announcing that the Page Corn collection was restocking, so they sent me her collection over again, which I have this already, but like I love it so much. So if you haven't tried Blinged brushes, highly recommend. They are my all-time favorite. As you can tell, I have all my brushes over here, and they do sales quite often, so if you ever want to try Blinged brushes, you can wait for a sale. They do like 15, 20, 25%, 30% off a lot, and you can use code Connor and save an additional 10%. So if it's 30% off, you get 40, you know what I'm saying? And it's a great win-win because, you know, it is. So this is what the brush collection looks like. These are super pretty. I absolutely love these brushes. Definitely one of my favorite collections because they're pink. Let me just say, if I ever came out with a Blinged brush collection, I would do like purple or maybe a matte white. I don't know. But these are so cute. So thank you, Blinged brushes, so much for sending me some more brushes. You guys know that they're my favorite. I use them every day, all day, and yeah, thank you. I love you. And thank you again. Okay, so again, I got this one a few weeks ago before it launched, and I've been playing with it and trying it out, and so this is me giving you like my thoughts. So this is from What's Up Beauty. It was their new mascara, the Watch Me mascara, which I'm also using today. And I have to say, I really enjoy this mascara. I believe that they are like developed in the same place as like ColourPop and Kylie Cosmetics and KKW. So I mean, quality is definitely pretty consistent, but the wand is like really cool because you have like the more fluffier side, but then you have this one that gives you like the length. I don't know if you can even see that, but the bristles are different for, you know, length and volume. This is a really good mascara. Highly recommend. Thank you to What's Up Beauty for sending that to me. Another loosey-goosey and my last loosey-goosey product, Cocokind sent me their new chlorophyll discoloration serum a couple weeks ago before they launched, and I have not been able to use this yet, but I am looking forward to it because I do actually have some discoloration, not necessarily on my face, but on my legs. So I really want to put this to the test because I have not been able to have a hot girl summer for like 3 years now, because 2 years in a row, my goats, they gave me horrible rashes from poison ivy, and I'm really allergic, and I have scarring from that, and I also have a bunch now from this year from doing a bunch of farm girl stuff outside, and I have bruises and it's really gross. So I'm actually so excited to try this. I've heard nothing but good things about this. Plus I love Cocokind. I have tried several of their products that they have sent me, and they're actually really good. So I'm very excited about that. And then I have a package here from Alter Ego. So we have some lip colors, which I think these were in my giveaway too, these same colors. We have Infamous and Vanity, some matte liquid lipsticks, as well as an eyeshadow base from Alter Ego. And we also have their brand new palette. This is the Sakura palette, which is a Natasha Denona dupe. And I'm so beyond excited. I just love the packaging. Look at this color story, you guys. I cannot wait to play with this. I probably will do this tomorrow. I was supposed to go and work the fair tonight, but I am sick and I have strep, so I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so hopefully I'll get to feeling better. It kind of just happened. I got this in the mail, and then my son got sick, and then I take him to the doctor, and it's been this whole thing, so love that for me. But thank you so much, Alter Ego, for sending that to me. I cannot wait to play with it because their quality of eyeshadow is so good. You can also use code Connor for 10% off your purchase if you so choose. They are very cheap. Quality is very good. It's a huge win-win. A huge win-win. I love them. I use their palettes all the time. Actually, I'm wearing some on my eyes today. I've been using Shadow Kiss pretty much non-stop. This is another Natasha Denona dupe. Absolutely love it. And I also love their Luster palette as well as their Goddess palette. Just so good, you guys. Next up I have this here from Pixi. I think this might be the one that no, I didn't just get this one. I've had this one. I've had this one for a couple of weeks as well. This is from Pixie Beauty. This is the In Shower Steam Facial. I don't even know how to open it. So we have this here. It comes with a little towel and an In Shower Steam Facial Ossia Collagen and Peptide Self-Heating Cleansing Mask. So this is going to be definitely very interesting to try, but I'm looking forward to it. So thank you, Pixi. Actually, I have several packages from them. They started just coming back to back. Like, things that people have gotten in their PR like a month ago, I'm just now receiving. Maybe it was this package. No, not this one. The other package I'm going to show you. This is their skin treats as well. And this is a vitamin C capsule serum. So we get to try this. I did put one of my Pixi PR boxes in with the giveaway that ended the other day. So super exciting. And then this Pixi box just arrived 2 days ago, and this is what I meant by like I've been getting it just all back to back randomly out of nowhere. And this one I've already seen people receive in PR, and I just got it. But it's the Pixi On The Glow Bronze Beam and Boost. So we have two different ones. One looks to be a little lighter, one looks to be a little darker. So I have Warm Glow, or maybe those were blush sticks I was seeing people get. So we have Warm Glow. They look like little deodorants. So here we go. I was just wondering what it smelled like. And then we have Beach Glow, which is much darker. So definitely excited to give these products a try. So thank you again, Pixie Beauty, for sending these to me. Cannot wait to try it. Love you so much. Then I have a package from Game Beauty, which I picked these products out. I have two more packages coming. I'm going to do a video for Game Beauty, which I've been like looking forward to ever since I watched Ellie Dawson do a video on Game Beauty. So I'm really excited, but these are the only products I've received so far in the mail. And I got these a couple days ago. We have several different products. So we have the Adventure palette here, and I am also very much looking forward to using these for my upcoming Halloween time looks, because these are very colorful and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Okay, here is this color story. They are very vibrant and I cannot wait to play. I cannot wait. So thank you so much to Game Beauty for allowing me to get some products off your website. This is a highlighter in the shade Pyro. And I was like wanting to save the swatching for my video, but honestly, I so much want to swatch this right now. So I think I'm going to just... Ooh, look how pretty. Oh yeah, okay. Love that. Can't wait. And then we have this palette. This one is the Fantasy palette. I am so excited about this one as well. The color story is absolutely beautiful. Packaging, absolutely stunning. And look, it's so pretty. My lighting is kind of blowing it out, but this is like a yellow and like a light pastel-y orange. So I don't know why that's blown out so much, but super pretty. And then the last item that I received in this box is another highlighter. This is in Geo. Super pretty. Let me just go ahead and swatch it. Oh yeah. So excited, so excited. Okay. So thank you so much, Game Beauty, for sending these to me. Can't wait to make my video and playing with all of the products that I got. So excited. Love you guys so, so much. And then lastly, I got this PR package from Pop Beauty, which is the sister brand to Pixi, I believe. And I also got this one just the other day. Boom. And boom. So we have a Pop Beauty hair clip right here. Super cute. Then we have the Light Show palette, which I think I might have had this one before. This is in Pretty Punk, I believe. It looks familiar to me. Oh yeah, yeah, I definitely already have this one, so I'm gonna keep this in the packaging and give that to my niece. However, this Charismatic Pop Palette, this highlighting palette in pink champagne, I do not have. And I actually use their other highlighting palette religiously. It is seriously so good. Hold on, let me show you my palette. As you can tell, maybe if this will focus, I have a dent in this top shade because it's so good. I don't know if you'll be able to focus and see, but I love this palette. This one's so good. And to have a pink version is like amazing. And then lastly, I have this Plump Pout Fuchsia Freesia little lip plumping gloss. I actually really like these. I've had several of them and I really do enjoy them. I cannot open this for the life of me, you guys. And here we are. So thank you so much to Pop Beauty for sending me these. Can't wait to play. And of course, thank you to all the brands. Like I said, I cannot wait to try everything. Love you guys so much. And yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions on these brands. Have you ever tried anything from them? What is your favorite products? All of that jazz down in the comments. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!